Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to teach you how to do a shake effect on CapCut. With this tutorial, you're going to be able to do cool edits. Let's get started by opening CapCut, making a new project, adding your very own clip, and you will appear on this screen right here. So, just tap on that certain clip that you added and make sure that it's working. So go back and now tap on Effects, Video Effects, and then as you can see, there's this shake filter. So just simply tap on that, tap on check. And if this is too much shake for you, don't worry. Just tap on adjust. You can lower the speed or make it higher and the intensity. So you can have little shakes, but very fast or very slow, and big shakes but slow. And that's pretty much all you can do. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. Any comments and suggestions? Feel free to comment down below.